The Second Nature Tarot is a fun, bright, unique and quirky deck that is loosely based on the Rider-Waite-Smith system. The Second Nature Tarot uses earth, air, fire and water as suits, and each suit has a different color-coded title area. The earth suit, Pentacles, is represented by various fruit, vegetables and flowers. It is decorated with ferns. The title area is light brown colored. The air suit, Swords, is represented by birds, butterflies and feathers. It is decorated with air plants and lavender. The title area is light blue colored. The fire suit, Wands, is represented by torches. It is decorated with firebush plants, quartz crystals and mushrooms. The title area is colored a light orange. Check out links in the description for more information about this tarot deck. Like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tarot deck reviews.
Yeah.